Are you planning to ship your car to Aruba? We'll cover everything from shipping costs and required documents to qualifying for tax exemptions. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details, there are some great deals available on car shipping services. Compare quotes from reliable shippers and unlock discounts of up to 25% off. Now, let's look at typical shipping prices for getting your car to Aruba. Shipping a car from the US to Aruba typically costs between $2,000 and $4,000. Depending on the departure port in the US, most vehicles are shipped from the southeastern US, which can influence your overall cost, as well as customs duties that vary based on the vehicle's value. When shipping a vehicle to Aruba, it's crucial to avoid packing personal belongings in your car. Everything in the vehicle must be declared when it goes through customs, and failure to do so can result in penalties or the car being seized. Here are the documents required when shipping your car to Aruba: your vehicle title, proof of insurance, a driver's license, passport, registration, and evidence that you've owned the car for at least 6 months. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful car shipping tips. Safe travels, and we look forward to helping you ship your vehicle to Aruba.